That's a nice looking package, Harry.
Haha, that's what she said.
Looks like base camp sent us some masks and a respirator to try out.
I never get anything.
Hodgepodge. I like your beaver. I really like your beaver.
Let's check it out. Looks pretty cool. There's 2 of them. Oh, look at this, Harry. They sent you something. Your own face mask.
Base camp, you rock.
Now you don't have to breathe in the dust.
Welcome everybody. Today I'll be turning a square bowl out of this piece of box elder that has some Burl figure in it.
You've gotta love a curvy figure.
Don't forget to stick around because my giveaway results will be at the end of this video for my 500 subscriber bowl.
Time to get geared up, Harry. Always good to be safe and wear protection. Ah, super comfy. Let's get your mask on. There you go. Ready to turn.
Damn, I look sexy.
At this point of shaping, I realized I had went too far and I should have left part of the straight edge of the corners on the piece. I had to fix this issue later by using my belt sander to give a flat edge in the corner again. How's that dust mask working for you, Harry? Can you taste any wood dust?
Sadly, I cannot. That base camp mask looks good on you. Have you been lifting weights?
I have been handling some pretty big wood.
Yeah, that's what they all say.
Here you can see the triangular corners that I need to get rid of.
All that wood dust and none of it in my mouth.
That's a good thing, Harry. The dust masks are doing what they're supposed to.
Is that a nut lube?
Why, yes it is. It's walnut oil.
I might have to give that a try sometime. So what did you think of the dust mask, Robert?
It took a bit of getting used to, but after that, it fit pretty well, and it did its job.
Well, I like wood in my mouth.
Well, that makes sense. Wood goes in beavers. If any of you guys would like to try out one of these masks, I have a link in the description below. If any of you would like to try the 3-pack of daily masks, which I highly recommend, they fit amazingly, I have another link in the description as well as a 10% off coupon code. Thanks for watching. Now, time for the giveaway results.
Alright, Harry, let's see who wins. Copy the address, paste it, filter duplicates. Go ahead and type in your hashtag, Harry. Let's get the comments. There's a total of 58 of them. Go ahead and press start. TrueRex007 Lee from Minnesota. Congratulations. If you can contact me and send me an email or comment on Facebook or Instagram and give me your shipping address, I'll get that shipped out to you.